Kilala. Pakilala ka. Pakilala. Introduce. Yung pangalan mo. Pangalan. Oo, sabi. Sundan mo ako. Oo, sundan mo ako. Oo. Oo. Oo, sundan mo ako. Gagayahin mo ako. Oo. Oo, ano yung importante yun, yung gaya. Diba? Kasi diba sabi, sa mata ng isang bata, ang mali, nagiging tama pag ginagawa ng gaya-gaya. Diba? So ito, mamaya po, ang tip ko lang sa inyo, gayahin nyo lang yung speaker natin. Gayahin nyo lang siya. Nako, you will see a bright future ahead of you. Okay? Oh, Tom-Tom. Jesus ka na. Gayahin mo ako. Sabi mo, hello. Hello. My name is Tom-Tom. Yes. Tom-Tom. Tom-Tom. Hello. Ako po si Tom-Tom. Yan. Ako po ay Bibi. Bibi. Ako naman ako. Ako si... Daddy. Hindi ako daddy. Hindi mo ako daddy. Ano mo ako? Tito. Daddy. Hindi. Yaya. Yaya. Tom-Tom. Yaya dede. Yaya dede. Nandito tayo kasi may special day ngayon. Special day. Nandito si... Tom-Tom. Oo, nandito si Tom-Tom. Oo, mag-preach si Tom-Tom. Tom-Tom. Tom-Tom preach. Tom-Tom preach now. Hindi ikaw. Si Pastor Chinky. Pastor Chinky. Chinky. Oo. Chinky. Pastor Chinky. 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 That's bad. You shouldn't have done that. You see, Pastor Chinky. Pastor Chinky. Hello. Hello. I love you. I love you too. It's special day ngayon sa Come to Jesus. Ay, birthday. Hindi mo birthday. Birthday now. Hindi ikaw. Si Pastor Chinky magsasalita. Hindi nga ikaw eh. Hindi si Pastor Chinky. Tom-Tom? Tom-Tom? Wait ka lang! Ano ka ba? Wait ka lang, wait. You will have your turn. Pag malaki ka na, pwede ka na rin mag-preach. Oo. Ngayon, wait ka lang. Wait. Oo. Wait. Hintay. Oo. Kasi pag marunong ka mag-wait, ang tawag sa'yo, waiter. Hindi, si Pastor Chinky marunong yan maghintay. Kaya, oo. Patient. Patient. Patient, yan. Ano ka? Patient. Yeah, ako. Nurse. Doctor. Kung nag-grow na. Sige na, magpaalam ka na. Basta, alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, karamihan sa atin, diba sabi nila, growing old is mandatory, but growing up is optional. Now, the reason why I requested for these babies is, in reality, I look around, and in life, I see a lot of people, inside of them, they're still babies. No? So in so many aspects, like in their emotional aspect in life, and how they interact with people, their maturity, their finances, how they manage money. Babies. Oo, parang ikaw. Oo, yan. Pag hindi na ibigay yung gusto, iiyak.
Ako hindi iyak.
Umiiyak ka.
Hindi iyak.
Umiiyak ka. optional. And sabi sa Bible, faith is comes by hearing and hearing by hearing the word of God, no? And that's how you grow. When your faith grows, the rest of you grows also, no? So this night is a night dedicated for growth for all of us, no? And I'm so privileged to be here. At maraming salamat po. So Tom, time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Oh. Goodbye na. Good. Goodbye. Goodbye. Tom. Huwag ka na.